In this era that we are, it is so shocking that some people still do not believe that they can earn cash with their smartphone, internet connection, and a little wisdom. Yes, I use a little wisdom. Everything is easy. Why online? Let me show you some of the results that me and my students have gotten so far. You have to believe. Look at this one. Someone earned a whopping $23. Okay, on one of the sites we are using. Okay, this is another one, $25. As you can see, this is surely for me. Okay, 27 USDT for one of the dollar app that I'm using. See someone here. Okay, there's a dollar app also that you can get paid $25 for Amazon gift card. These things are so easy. Look at this thing. Okay, this result was shared for some people. Okay, last year, and you can see what people are making from it. Money is on this internet. You just have to know the right information and get straight without investment. Don't forget, no investment required for you to earn all this money. Just doing their task. As you are doing that, they are also making their money. All right, so today I want to show you a very fast, easy app, dollar earning app you are going to use to earn money, because I've been earning money and I can prove it to you. All right, so but before I go there, so if you don't know me, this is Journey for Christ Editors, okay, where I share premium videos that can charge you a lot of naira and dollar to make some skills, information. This is where I share it. Okay, so just scroll and look at the video that have been done so far. Okay, make sure you subscribe and watch necessary video that you need that I've done that can help you with your IT and tech level. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that any video I do next, you'll be the first to see those. We have 45 videos you can check through and make yourself comfortable and learn new skills that can earn you cool money daily. Now go straight to the link. I've dropped the link there. Okay, you are going to use the link to get to this place. Once you get to this place, this is Cisco. Okay, make sure you check the description link of this video. You're going to see the link. I've dropped the link there. Alright, so what you need to do, okay, you can register by email or register by phone. Anyone that is easy for you, come here and do anyone that is easy for you. Alright, so okay, let me just sign in. Now I'll sign in. I use phone. Okay, let me just sign in with my phone. Alright, so I just sign in. Okay, so I just sign in. This is my number. Hello. So there's nothing special about this app. Okay, there are so many apps like this. Is Cisco. Alright, so once you get there, okay, to have easy navigation, okay, try and download the app. For you to have easy navigation, download the app. To tell you that it's not from the right source, download it anyhow. Alright, so once you download the app, okay, you can read the company profile as you like. Okay, you can read the company profile, read it will help you. Read the company profile. Okay, this is recharge level. I'll tell you this is how to withdraw. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is $9. Okay, $9. Alright, so this is the only thing they do here. Alright, come to your task. Can you see these levels? Home, task, team, VIP. Me is your profile. Let's start from me. It's your profile. Anything you want to do there, okay, set your password, change your password. VIP, okay, if you want to invest, immediately you log in, you sign up with my name, you have chance to unlock VIP 1, and VIP 1 will give you $1.8 every day. Okay, they have effective time for it. Okay, your effective time should be okay, they have set effective time for me. Okay, so that should be a month effective time. That should be $54. Okay, which I believe you can withdraw your money as you are growing up. Once it is $9, you can withdraw your money. Team, if you refer, there are so many opportunities for you when you refer people to this app. They are not investing anything. Okay, and those that wish to invest, okay, have an account I invested on. Okay, you can invest in it because this is real and you make your money. Okay, this is the tax level. When you get to the tax level, if you click on the tax level, it will bring two things for you from this tax level. Two things. Can you see tax? You said the tax is almost 24 hours. 24 hours. Okay. So if you are just doing your own, once you get to the tax level, all right, it will bring a tax for you to do. Once you do that tax, your money will be added. $1.8 every day is not a small money. If you can accumulate that, okay, if you can wait for that 1 month, that's $54. If you cannot wait, yes, you are making your money up to $9, withdraw it immediately. So my next tax is my own next tax is, okay, 19 hours time. That's tomorrow. Okay, that's tomorrow in 19 hours time. So with this, you can easily make your money. If you want to invest, okay, look at the VIP2. VIP2, you need what, $23 to unlock VIP2. $23. So it's not easy. Okay, if you have the money, good. And you can also get the VIP. Look at this activity by 50 people. If you have that capacity, okay, like myself, you can invite 50 people. You are going to unlock. You get VIP. You are going to get VIP2, and you also get $30. That's interesting. That's interesting. If you can refer, you can post ad on their platform. Just check it out. Okay, that is everything we do on this app. So easy. Read the company profile, do the necessary, refer. Okay, if you want to refer, okay, it's very easy. Go to your team, you will see your nick there. Click your nick, copy. Okay, 170, that's your code. Copy your name. You have level 1, level 2. Level 1 is your own direct referral. Your referral is level 2. Your referral is level 3. Alright, so I'll be bringing more opportunity for you guys. Let's go and make cool money here. Alright, so if you have heard something, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, comment every question you have, comment so that every other person can see. Let's make life easy for ourselves. Drop your comment below and I will answer you immediately.